All right, we are back. This is CFA here with you. I got Mrs. CFA.
Hello.
CFAJr.
Hi.
And today we have pennies, and we are actually, oh yeah, there's Coco of course. And we are going to use, well, we have Quinn's Coins placemat out every time we go through pennies, but we are going to actually use his scoring system this time around. Quinn Coin. And we're going to go by that for our score sheet. We got our key date, our low mintage, and all that good stuff. And we're going to use the Canadian scoring as well. We don't find a lot of them here, but we'll see how it goes. So we each have $8 in cents. And we're hoping for some good luck today. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to get my blank planchet maybe finally. Coco wants silver. Sorry, I don't think you're going to find any silver in the cents. All right.
Ooh.
What? What do you see?
I see a 41.
You got a wheat already?
Yeah. Wheats are my thing.
Oh my gosh, look at that. What is it, a 41?
Ooh, it looks cool. I think you want to look at the color.
Oh yeah, it's got some dark toning.
This bow tie kind of looks cool too.
41D.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
That looks cool. It's like a rustic.
Yeah, it's got dark toning.
Someone put their coin in a blender. Seriously, look at that.
What's that? Did what?
They put their coin in a blender.
In a blender?
Look at that.
It does kind of look like it. That thing is mangled. What the heck did they do to that? Yeah, we're doing 2009's. Mrs. CFA, what do you got here? Oh, the presidency. Nice. Yeah, look right there. Quinn's sheet says it's worth 1 point.
Oh, okay.
So she got 5 for that 40s she just found, and you just got 1 for this one. This is a presidency. Those are the ones you want. Yeah, very nice. Those are the rarest of the 4 is the presidency. They made about half as many as they did the rest. So nice one, Mrs. CFA. You know, I just noticed he doesn't have 2017P on his score sheet.
Well, didn't he say he doesn't?
Well, he
really
finds more
do
than
those?
we do.
Yeah.
Oh, I got an 09. I got a formative years. Sweet, it gets me on the board. Formative years. 2009B.
A buffalo?
Buffalo.
Yes!
A buffalo penny?
They should make those. You mean bison?
Bison penny, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, 59.
1 year off. Oh, I got another formative years. This one's a 2009P. The other was a D. Wow, cool. That's 2 formative years in the first roll. So I have two 2009s in the first roll. Nice. What's that? Nice. What is it? Mrs. CFA has a 2009. Oh, professional life. Very nice. Professional life. Cool. 2009D. Good job. You just tied up with me.
I bet you I'm gonna get a 1909S.
09S?
Yeah, I bet you I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're not cheating me, are you?
No.
That'd be pretty awesome.
I'm gonna get a flying eagle scent.
No. 1909.
Okay.
Better be in my rule though.
I will get you 1953. I don't know, I can't get it.
You
It's
have
a wheat.
You have a weed?
Yeah.
Mrs. CFA with a weed. Wheat harvest, yep, 53D. Nice. Not a low mintage, but still worth 5 points. Good job. You just took the lead.
It'll be a funny video you should do at the end of every year.
What's that?
A compilation, can't even say it.
Compilation?
Of you going, woo, woo, oh, like in every coin roll video when we find something.
What are you trying to say?
No, it's just funny.
I'm funny. We can make a video out of you flipping a coin for everything.
Ooh, I like it when it comes out like that.
What? What came out like
Man,
what?
I've been getting the
You got another week? Tell me it's just teams.
1953.
53?
Got a little green mark on it too.
Well, green mark. 53 what?
Flame?
53 P.
No.
Yeah, plain date.
I was like, what?
Well, that's 10 for you. You just took the lead.
Someone's picking my toes.
This one reminds me of that metal detector out of the ground. And
when
the
when he
one
gets
side.
scarred by something.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that sucker's been
it's only on one
that's
side.
been tortured. Yeah, it's 2005, but it hasn't been tortured like somebody abused it. Oh, I got a week. Finally.
I swear, if it's a
Bad.
2009,
No, I got a 1,000. You mean 1909?
I mean a 1909.
2009 would be fantastic. I got a 56D. 56D. So not a low mintage, but I get 5 points. Puts me up to 7. I'm tied with Mrs.
Oh,
Where's
come
your five?
on, 44.
It's still a wheat. You're upset that it's not old enough?
Give me the oldies.
44 what?
Nothing.
44 nothing?
Yeah.
44p. Good job, good job.
Oh,
That's
It ain't rare. It's not on Quinn's low mintage Lincoln since I guess.
No, it's not a low mintage, but it is
It looks
still
good.
a wheat. 44p CFAJr. You have the lead.
Watch out, I'm coming with the leaves.
1982 D, small date. All I need is for it to come out to be copper. Oh, has to be on a flat surface. Doggone it. Oh, 2.6 grams. That's stink. Dang it.
Nick.
Dang. Small date D copper. That's what I want. Am I asking for too much?
My friend Cameron had, she's like, yeah, I have $5. I was like, check them. She's like, what do you mean? I was like, dude, look up coins for amateurs and
Yeah.
You'll know what to look for. What'd you get? Absolutely.
Wait, I got it. Canadian, 1994.
You're looking
You
at.
get no points.
Yeah, you do.
No.
It's a Ford right there.
No, look, Canadian.
That's additional
No,
Canadian.
shh. Canadian. I don't see no 1990s. Well,
Counts as a foreign ding dong.
where? That says foreign. I don't know foreign.
Okay, so what year was it?
1802.
First, you don't want to give her any points, and now you want to give her way many points. So what was it?
1994.
94 Canadian. That's the first Canadian.
Oh, she also got this. Well,
What?
look at the edge.
What'd you get? Oh, she got a formative years in the same roll.
Guys sitting on a log.
Nice. You're up to 10 points. I gotta wait. Ooh, I got a really nice rainbow one right on top of it. It's an 87. Look at that right there. I haven't even looked at the date yet. What are you gonna guess, Junior?
36.
Really? Look at that. You think it's that old?
No, 40. 42.
That's a big difference.
54.
You think 54? I'm gonna say 44. So what's our guesses?
42.
42. I said 44. What'd you say, hon? 56? 54? It's 44. Did I just say 44?
I don't know.
I
You have to
swear I
roll
didn't
it back.
cheat. I did not cheat. I did not cheat, I swear.
Roll it back.
All right,
editor,
44
chat.
wheat. It's a Philly. It's not horrible. Not horrible condition. All right, hey, I'm gaining then. I'm gaining on you. Oh. I mean, that's not rainbow.
Looks like gasoline.
Look at it. What are you talking about? Look at that one too. Look at those
That
two.
was hot.
Brr. Look at these two rainbow suckers.
Makes me think of that Chris Pratt video where he's like, oh, brisket. He was like, that was hot. My mouth's.
What is wrong with you?
No, that's what Chris Pratt said. Cool. Looks rainbow.
Those are extremely rainbow. I just don't think the camera's gonna catch it. Check this camera.
No, you only gotta be in person. I have like lines across it.
Lines. Oh wow, nice Woody. That's a 1981. That's a, yeah. That's a
I
wood
knew
grain.
that's what it was. I was like, I remember him talking about lines
Yep.
across a coin once, and I was like,
Yep.
that's a lot of lines.
Yep. No, yeah, that's Well, it's debatable though about wood grain because Ken Peavy and I were discussing one time, and there's different things that can cause that, and a lot of the early 80s have it, so they're not extremely rare. We actually have a bag full of them, but MrsCFA, wow, look at that. That was a quiet one you just passed over. 51D, that's a score. Nice job. 51D, that's your second weed. Nice job, honey. You just tied for the lead.
Sweet. You're like, damn, sucker. Oh, wait, add that one, please.
What? What do you got now? What's that? Oh, she got a 2009 D, and it is another presidency? You got two of them. That's awesome. Those are the toughest ones, like I said earlier. Those are the hardest ones to get. A lot of times we only get one, maybe two, when we get a whole bunch of the others. So that's nice job. That's another point. You just took the lead. Oh, I got a Canadian. Ooh, I got a Canadian, and it's not a modern. Well, I mean it's fairly old.
Is it youngin?
Look at that. It is. It's a young head.
Oh, yeah.
I got a young head. 1962 young head. That's worth 5 points. Yep. Off of Quinn's sheet there. That's kind of a nice looking one too. Look at that. Isn't that kind of cool?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Look at the reverse. Is really deep and dark and nice looking.
Mm-hmm.
Not a bad looking coin at all.
What the heck, Kevin? I mean, Ryan. There's no 44S on the low vintage. Come on.
What?
I have a weed.
What is it? A 44S?
Yeah.
You wanted that to be a low vintage, is that what he said?
Yeah. Come on.
Well, you just regained the lead with 5 points. How's that?
Yeah, the coin gods are looking out for me.
They are, huh? The coin gods. This is a close match right
we're
now.
tight. We're tight.
You and the coin gods?
Yeah.
Oy, oy, oy. That's obvious, seeing as how you kick our butts
Obviously,
most of the time.
you don't know what that's like. 'Cause-
Oh, I'm CFA. What are you talking about?
Well,
Well,
he was well known in the coin community.
not by them. The special 1909. No.
That would be pretty awesome.
Ooh.
What?
1943 steel.
You're full of crap. It's not steel I can see from here. But I do have a 2009. Whoa, and it's the presidency, which I think, Ryan, we're going to talk about your sheet. Those should be worth a half a point more than the others.
Half a point. Just confuse people a little bit more.
Just a half a point. No, I got a 2009 presidency, and it's a D. That's actually 3 of those that we have tonight. That's crazy that we have more of those than anything else. I'm actually liking that a lot.
That's crazy. 2009. That's like 9 years ago.
Are you being a smart mouth again?
I could probably trick a lot of people at school because they know I know stuff about coins. Make sure you look for the penny with the giant buffalo on it. Super rare.
It's
I heard
extremely rare.
I heard there's like none made.
MrsCFA with a formative years. Oh, it's a Philly too. Cool. We don't get a lot of Phillies. We get mostly Denver. 2009 formative years. MrsCFA. She's now up to 17 points. And I just got an 09 professional life. Yes, that's my 4th 09. I'm up to 19. I'm only one behind you. What'd you get? Ooh, MrsCFA. What'd you get here? You have a young head. Nice. Very good. 1964 Younghead. Mrs. CFA just took the lead. Nice one, honey. I like that.
You're a slowpoke.
What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Wait, guess the date. Guess the date.
It's a wheat?
Yes.
Let me see what it looks
51.
like. I'm gonna say that's 40s. 40.
Well, I kind of said, so she probably heard
Oh.
me, so you can guess in the 50s.
Oh, it's 50s?
Yes,
Oh.
I think.
54.
It's 56D.
56D!
Oh, why could it have been 55?
Yes.
Ryan.
56D. Nice, you just took the lead again. I got another 09. This one is the log birth and early childhood. 2009D. That's the first one of those tonight.
Sitting on the log.
And it's toned. Look, it's got purplish on it.
Purplish. Oh, it does.
Cool. Nice, that'll make the tone book. I've been waiting for a good 09 for the tone book. Let's be up to 20. So Junior, you're done.
C.
And Mom and I are on our last rolls. Okay. Oh, I just at least tied her right off the bat. I got a wheat. What do you guys want to guess?
Let me look.
What do you want to guess? What do you want to guess?
52.
It looks like a 50s to me as well. What do you think, Mom?
2000 never. I lost.
What do you think?
58.
58? It's 53 played.
Oh, that was close. I said 52.
53 played gives me 5 more, so that ties me with Junior. And I still have some coins to look at here.
Giddy up!
I'm gonna win!
No.
I'm gonna win. I see one scoring coin. And that's it. I have a formative years. It's a 2009D that gives me 1 point. And I now have 26. Wow, close match, you guys. That was awesome. Alright, so let's get a little rundown of what we got here. Bird and dog in the way.
Giddy up!
Okay. Okay, a little roundup here at the end. We got 2 destroyed coins, one from the, what'd you say, blender?
Yep.
And one that maybe Miss CFA you said was
Oh, metal detector.
Metal
yeah.
detector. It looks like a
Sorry, I was
stab.
trying to think.
It was looking like it was stabbed. Then we got the 1981 wood scent. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Found by me.
Yes, found by you. We got a bunch of 09s. We had 1 birth and early childhood. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formative years. And we had 2 professional lives and 4 presidencies, which is really bizarre for us to have 4 presidencies and 2 professional lives. A lot of times we'll have 10 professional lives and 1 presidency. So that was pretty cool. We got 4 Canadians, 2 of which were young heads. Not too shabby for this part of the country. And we got 10 wheats, which is probably close to our average. Somewhere around average, right, Lucy?
Right.
She says yes.
I mean, yes.
So not a bad box, right, everybody?
Yeah, it was great.
All right, outstanding.
It was
I hope
fun.
everybody had a great time.
I had a great time.
Did you?
Yeah, it was
So
fun.
did I.
I
It was.
love going through these.
Yeah, it was fun. Thank you all for watching. And as always, keep checking that change. She's dancing.
Shake it. Oh, make out your sister.
Oh.
We love quail. No. You like it?
Ow!
That was bizarre. Are you choking?
We probably don't even put half of what we're saying in the video.
Nope.
Exactly.
I use the good stuff, not your weird stuff.
You have to put me looking in at the camera when
Actually,
I
there's
got
some-
my wheat. You were talking and I'm like...
Actually, there's some stuff I've used that you don't know I used and probably didn't want me to use. So.
Wait. I was like this.
Yes,
Can you
there
see me?
Are. Yeah, I see you just fine.
I did that. I went like this.
I'm gonna use that too.
No, you're not.
If you put it on camera, there's the potential it will get used.